Dubsado is a great tool, but it's not the only tool you'll need to run your business. It can be frustrating and time-consuming to transfer all of your information from one system over to the other because they don't communicate on their own. And that's where you find yourself spending all of your time working in your business instead of on your business. And that's exactly why I created the Dubsado Integrations Kit. Hi, my name is Ray Targos. I'm the owner of Productive Co, and I'm a certified Dubsado specialist. And I have been teaching Dubsado since 2017. Over the years, I've set up dozens of accounts for my clients spanning a variety of different industries, requiring a number of different needs and apps to integrate with. And I've had over 600 students take my courses, all with different needs as well. So I have had to look at a lot of different ways to integrate Dubsado with other tools out there. And that's why I created the Dubsado Integrations Kit, so everything is in one nice, neat place for you. In this mini course that can be completed and implemented in less than 4 hours, there are 4 main ways I help you. One is through automation. I've created over 60 automations that you can import into your account with a couple of clicks. Templates so that you don't have to recreate the wheel from scratch every time you get a new client or a new project. Notifications. Sometimes you need to do tasks manually, but you can automate notifications on when you need to do those tasks. And lastly, clever workarounds. Sometimes there isn't a native integration between Dubsado and another tool, but I have several clever workarounds I've come up with over the years, and I share them with you in this course. In less than 4 hours, you can learn and implement integrations with different project management software, email marketing software, social media tools, text messaging tools, payment processors, schedulers, and so much more. And I'm always adding new lessons. I can't wait for you to run your business with one seamless, cohesive system, so I'll see you inside.